Goodbye, kale and quinoa. There are now several new superfoods on the market that are filled with amazing nutritional benefits and different tastes. 1. Swiss chard. It's a leafy veggie, similar to kale, that really is high in antioxidants. A cup of Swiss chard has almost 700% of your daily vitamin K intake. 2. Kelp. Kelp differs from other plants because it contains enzymes that are only present in marine veggies. It is abundant in magnesium, iron, and calcium, as well as iodine, which aids thyroid activity. 3. Moringa. Moringa powder, which comes from India, is high in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and amino acids, and is thought to help control blood sugar levels. 4. Daikon radishes. Full of potassium, magnesium and vitamin C, this white root plant provides a mild bitterness to your dish. The tartness might allow you to control your sugar cravings. 5. Rutabaga. This rustic root plant is gaining popularity as a substitute for crushed potatoes. It has a little sweet and astringent flavor and is strong in vitamin C. 6. Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds, the newest superfood craze, will soon replace chia, pumpkin, and sesame seeds. Watermelon seeds provide protein, magnesium, vitamin B, and monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. 7. Watercress. Watercress is an excellent substitute for kale. Despite its tiny leaves, this spicy vegetable has several health advantages. Aside from vitamins, watercress has significant quantities of glucosinolate chemicals, which have been shown to suppress breast, colon, lung, and prostate cancers. 8. Microgreens. Little, baby leaves that are less than 14 days old are as tasty as they are nutritious. Microgreens, despite their small size, contain up to 6 times the nutrients of mature leaves of the same plant. 9. Celeriac, celery root. Celeriac, often known as celery root, is a chunky root that is high in nutrients. A cup has around 3/4 of your daily vitamin K requirements and 10% of your daily potassium requirements, both of which are necessary for maintaining good blood pressure. 10. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants and polyphenolic chemicals, both of which have anti-inflammatory properties. The catechin epigallocatechin gallate, which provides green tea its apparent capacity to protect against chronic illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, is one of the most abundant antioxidants in green tea. 11. Seaweed. The name seaweed refers to various nutrient-dense sea plants. These sea veggies include bioactive chemicals that are not found in land plants and may have antioxidant properties. It also contains a variety of minerals including vitamin K, folate, iodine, and fiber. 12. Arugula. Arugula, also known as rocket, colewort, roquette, rucola, and rucoli, is a green plant that belongs to the Brassicaceae family. It is indeed high in minerals like provitamin A, carotenoids, and vitamins B9 and K. 13. Tiger nuts. Tiger nuts are little nuts excellent in a range of nutrients. It has a high concentration of magnesium, potassium, protein, and prebiotics. Eating tiger nuts may improve digestion, reduce blood sugar levels, boost the immune system, and function as a natural Viagra owing to its aphrodisiac properties. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.